Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. This is a mask and a shape effect. You'll find it in effects after you download it. So go to effects. You want SDS, S shapes, and mask. Just drop it on. The blue is just a generator. And the red is the viewer background that they included just recently. Click on it, select effects. By default, the ellipse is set. If you want a shape, just ellipse solid. You have controls here for it, or you can leave it unchecked, add a border. And if you want to go to one of the other ones, shut this one off. Next one down is the rectangle. Turn that one on, and you have all the same controls. Then you have the star, turn that one on, and again, you have all the same controls. You just want to star itself. And the N-gon, all same thing. Very bottom, there's one color. We'll do all of them. Put it on solid. You can see the color. Well, it'll be in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.